To find standard deviation and coefficient of variation for a discrete frequency distribution. So this is the example of discrete frequency distribution. Given data is number of wickets. Example is the following is the record of number of wickets taken by bowler. Find standard deviation and coefficient of variation. So the number of wickets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the number of matches are 5, 15, 20, 40, 12 and 8. So here in the notation form we write number of wickets means x, that is a variable, and number of matches means frequency is f. So to find the standard deviation and coefficient of variation, we know that the formulas are standard deviation is equal to sigma is equal to under root summation fx square divided by n minus x bar square, where x bar for a frequency distribution is summation fx divided by n, and we know that capital N is nothing but the sum of frequencies. So here is also we write the capital N. And coefficient of variation is sigma divided by x bar into 100. So first we prepare an observation table and take the sum of the fx and fx square. So here the observation table, we write the given data in the notation form as x are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and its corresponding frequencies 5, 15, 20, 40, 12 and 8. So here we prepare a first column of multiplication of frequencies and variable x, so fx. That means 0 into 5 is 0, then 1 into 15 is 15, 2 into 20 40, 3 into 40 120, here is 48 and 40. Again we prepare a column of fx square. Fx square means fx multiplied by x, fx multiplied by x, so we get the fx square. So fx square means this is fx multiplied by x, so 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, then 15 multiplied by 1 is 15, 40 multiplied by 2 80, and similarly we get the next values are 360, 192 and 200. Here we require the sum of the frequency, that is a capital N, sum of the fx and sum of fx square. So here capital N means sum of the frequencies we get as 100, sum of the fx, that is summation fx is equal to 263 and summation fx square is equal to 847. So substitute these obtained observations in the formula. We first define the mean x bar as, so first as mean, so mean is equal to summation fx divided by n is equal to 263 divided by 100 is equal to 2.63. This is mean x bar. Second is standard deviation. So standard deviation is equal to under root summation fx square, that is a summation fx square divided by n minus x bar square is equal to, we get summation fx square is 847 divided by 100 minus 2.63 bracket square. So after evaluating this, we get sigma is equal to 1.24. After evaluating this, we get sigma is equal to 1.24. So this is a sigma, this is a mean x bar. So substitute these observations in the third formula, that is the coefficient of variation is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100 is equal to 1.24 divided by x bar is 2.63 multiplied by 100. After evaluating this, we get 47.3. So this is in the percentage. So coefficient of variation is this. So for a frequency distribution, that is a discrete frequency distribution, we calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variation by this process.